welcome back to Mama's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make some of the best s'mores ever. There's only 3 ingredients needed in this. You need some marshmallows. I'm using the Jet Puff ones and large. You're going to be needing some Easter eggs, like these little chocolate ones. I have like caramel and this just milk chocolate and this cream egg. And then instead of graham crackers, we are using these chips, salted sea salt and caramel cookies. They're really good. And yeah, so first of all, you're going to be taking some of your cookies, and you're going to be adding them onto your plate. So my plate here, like that. And then you're going to be taking your marshmallows. I have mine here. You're only gonna, if I'm making 4, and you're only gonna be needing 2 marshmallows, because I'm gonna cut them in half because they tend to get big. So I'm cutting my marshmallows in half like that. And then I'm gonna cut the other ones like this. And I'm going to add 1 egg on each one. So I'm just going to add these eggs. So you can just add these like eggs full on, or you can just cut them in half and add them. I'm gonna add 1 full egg to each one. And here's that. I'm gonna cut it in half so it stays. It's gonna be easier. It's gonna stay. So I'm just gonna take my 2 halves and put it down. And I'm gonna make this one. So I'm just cutting them in half. And so if you want to just like a quick snack and you have these on hand, then you can make them. So you can take your other 2, pop them like that. Take the gold one this time. The gold one is the same as the purple one. It's just different wrapping. And it doesn't need to be an even split. It just needs to be half to make sure it's just going to lay down flat, because you don't want it to roll around. And then when it's in the microwave, it just like rolls around, and then you have your chocolate in your s'mores. So this can be the quick snack if you're in the mood for some s'mores. Okay, so I have our things laid down. Like that, the chocolate. Now you're just gonna take your marshmallow like this and stick it on up top, like so. I'm going to do that for the other ones. And I'm going to do it with this one. And if you're feeling a little bit fancy, you can just take a little bit of dark chocolate and put a little bit on top of each one. Take milk chocolate if you want. So here are them. They look really good. And then I'm just gonna pop them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So you're gonna pop those in the microwave for 30 seconds, and we'll see you in 30 seconds. Okay, so they're out of the microwave, and now I'm just just going to take a cookie and just place it on the top. Like that. If the chocolate's not melted, you can always put it in for another 30 seconds or so. And voila, your easy s'mores. I hope you enjoyed the video.